Let's learn about the United States of America. Here are some facts about Alabama. It is nicknamed the Yellowhammer State and the Heart of Dixie. The capital of Alabama is Montgomery. Alabama became a state on December 14, 1819. It was the 22nd state. Alabama is the 30th largest state in the U.S. Alabama has 67 counties. Their state flower is the oak leaf hydrangea. The state bird of Alabama is the yellowhammer. The state insect of Alabama is the monarch butterfly. Alabama became the first state to make Christmas a legal holiday in 1836. Their state tree is the southern longleaf pine. Hi everyone, Skye here of Skye's Workshop. Remember to check out playlists to get you to your favorite categories of videos. And remember to like and subscribe. As always, thanks for watching.